Ndewo. My name is Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, and I hope you're having a peaceful and relaxing holiday season with your family and loved ones. This video is hopefully keep it a short one, but it's a 2023 wrap-up video with celebrating our learning journey in Igbo language and culture, and also to give you an idea of what's next in 2024. The year has gone past so quickly. I started out a bit slow, the frequency of my posting. However, towards the end of the year, I increased my posting again, and the response has been phenomenal. Before I continue, I would like to say thank you very much for sharing my videos, for liking the videos, for subscribing, for commenting. The comments are brilliant. The comments help me know what you're thinking. The comments give me an idea of what to create next, and the comments tell me how you view the content I'm creating, and I really appreciate it. I also want to say thank you for all those people that are sharing via WhatsApp. So the engagement and the feedback, I hope it continues, because it's the feedback that will tell me what you want to watch. Another thing I want to touch on is the success stories of people that have somehow stumbled across my YouTube channel and then gone on to join us in the coaching group, and some of them have gone from absolute beginner to comfortably making 1 or 2 or 3 sentences in Igbo and are so committed to learning. And I just want to encourage them and ask them to continue pushing. And I see what you're doing. And in 2024, I'm going to do all I can to help support you, both if you're in the challenge coaching group or you're just watching the YouTube channel. I'm also really happy whenever I meet people. I've met a lot of people who's at the airport, going from one place to another. You wouldn't know how much I appreciate people that stop me and said, "Oh, I watch your videos. I love your videos," and this, and you're giving me feedback. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. With learning reflections, it's at the end of the year. It's really important to have reflect on how much you've learned, whether your goals are on track, and things you've done that are good, things that you can improve on, and that helps you move ahead in your Igbo learning journey. And I, on my own part, have done my own reflections on what worked in the content I'm teaching, what I can improve on, and that's part of what I'm going to talk to you about now. And also ways of improving my workflow. So these are things that are important and I'm looking at. This is the last video for this year, and so that I can have some time to chill with my family and reflect on the coming year. Preview for 2024. So I just want to tell you what's coming on, what you can expect in 2024. New series coming up. Trying to branch out and based on feedback and messages I've got on what you want to see. The kind of content and videos and lessons you will see in 2024 include a special focus on kids, kid-friendly Igbo lessons. You will be seeing them on this channel, and you will also see more of Igbo history. You will see Igbo culture. You will also see some people I will invite and have conversations and chats with. You will see, I would include Igbo biographies of Igbo people, Igbo folk stories and folk tales, and 1 or 2 things. And as we go along, if there's any other thing you want to see on the channel, do let me know in the comments below, and I will see what I can do about it. But 2024, the intention is to make more interesting videos and then create topics that you are interested in. So keep those comments coming and let me know what you want to see. And I also want to remind you that if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so, because the more you subscribe to my channel, the more you like my videos, then YouTube will realize, that people find this content interesting, and then they push it up for more people to engage with. So if you've not subscribed yet, please consider doing so, and then keep the comments coming, keep the likes coming, and keep sharing the videos to your friends, your families, and people you know that might benefit from the Igbo lessons and the content that I create. Throughout the videos you've watched this year, can you let me know in the comments below again your favorite video, or the one you most engaged with, the one you found most useful, the ones you didn't find very useful, and this helps me again to create what you want to see. So I don't want to drag this video. I just want to say I hope that the new year 2024 brings us great health, long life, happiness, and again commitment to learning Igbo language and culture. See you in 2024.